It is Friday. Jason Nappy is in for Keith. And Jason, unfortunately, looking like a little bit of a dreary weekend.
Yeah, it's going to be impactful too. Down east and also up in the county, I could see up to 60-mile-an-hour wind in a place like Eastport. I could see that in the county too. I can see 5 to 10 foot waves pounding the surf coming in on the the rocky shoreline of down east. So yeah, I mean some parts of Maine are going to feel this. Not everyone though. I mean if you're in western Maine, you're going to get basically plain old rain. Okay. You know, southern coastal Maine, plain old rain. So we'll look at the Oxford Hills. All quiet there. How about a little sun poking out there through the clouds? Not a lot of sun popped up today, but definitely some to greet you into the weekend. The weekend storm is going to bring rain and wind, 2 highlights there. The worst of it will be eastern and northern Maine. We're clearing on Sunday with peak foliage and then the leaf drop, which is going to really factor into some of this flooding situation. So we got a lot of the leaves on the trees still, bring out the wind and the rain to that, and then you're going to clog up drains here, especially in these areas. So watch out for flooding northern, down east, also mid-coast of Maine as we get to the weekend. High pressure sliding to our east now. That's really been the blocking high that's kept us so nice all week. 80s, mid-80s, Freiburg Fair, for example. And now the changes are coming. This cold front through the Ohio Valley, and then this is what the leftover remnants of the tropical storm, Philippe, are going to merge here on the hour-by-hour forecast. So we wake up Saturday morning, some scattered showers here, but nothing too bad. That's the time to do things because quickly the rain, especially southeast facing slopes of the Oxford Hills, the western mountains, the rain gets going. But notice here, Eastport, you're all clear. Now, as we get to 8 o'clock at night, enter from stage south and east. This is going to be the circulation of the remnant low. And here's the cold front rain over towards Vermont and New Hampshire, the western mountains. And here it comes. Bar Harbor, 11 o'clock at night, back to Cowles and Eastport. That's the northwest corner. That's where the heaviest rain is going to be pushing on shore. And by 2 in the morning when you're sleeping, you will hear the rain. You'll hear some branches coming down, maybe even some large trees. Okay, you got a lot of leaves on trees. So here on the northwest side, Bangor, Millinocket, Caribou, torrential downpours coming in. Circulation, not a landfall, but moving into Washington County Sunday morning. And then by 6 in the morning, Katahdin north, Greenville north, it's raining heavily. Clearing out to the south, we get a westerly wind to come through. And then it's over by Sunday, middle of the day, a light southwesterly breeze. So rainfall amounts are going to be hefty. This is as of 8 o'clock Saturday. The meat of the storm is not even here yet. Here we go. Up to 5, even 6 inches from Bar Harbor heading up to the highlands with this storm. That is going to cause some flash flooding. Some streams are going to rise, and there will certainly be some big issues from Bar Harbor heading up east. So not all of the state's going to get it, but there is a gale watch up for the coastline, and it'll be a lot worse once again down east. So that's up until Sunday morning, 8 o'clock. Next 3 days, the forecast has rain and wind. That's pretty much guaranteed statewide, but the worst of it obviously down east and northern Maine. Shower on Sunday and then big holiday Monday where we'll clear out 61. We're going to clear out Sunday too. And then even some thunderstorms on Wednesday I've introduced into the forecast. A little bit rare for October, but not expecting a big severe outbreak at this time. The rain and wind comes in Saturday. Early on Sunday, a couple of showers, especially heavier north. But then that's the time where we get out our trusty friend, remember, dust off the rake, all the leaves or the blower, whatever your preference is there on Sunday. It's
like it or not.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jason. Thanks.